Hi, I am Hassan Khalid and I am a PhD student at University Malaya and studying at the Department of Electrical Engineering and currently affiliated with Pearl Lab. I would like to thank Keysight for providing us the marvelous equipment under the Smart Bench Essential Donation Program. Thank you very much. Hello, and I'm Hassan Khalid. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you the few equipment that has been brought to our lab from Keysight. This is Keysight function generator that can generate different kinds of waveform, including the sine wave, square wave, ramp, and the pulse width as well. This generator can generate up to the signal of the 20 megahertz. Okay, so this is the screen which is LCD based and its size is 7 inches. So you can change your desired waveform just by clicking on the waveform button, and you can select sine, square, ramp, pulse, and arbitrary waveform. First of all, let's just click to the sine wave, and when you do that, you can see the properties changer. You can change the frequency, the amplitude, the offset, the phase. So whatever you want to change, just enter the button. For example, I need to change the frequency of this waveform. Just click to the frequency and it will ask me what sort of value you want. So let's say it's 50, and there are being units easily available on your screen. It's microhertz, millihertz, hertz, kilo, and the megahertz. Let's say it's kilohertz. So when you do that, you have the other option as well. You can change the amplitude of the signal. That can be right from the 0 to 10 volt. Let's say it's 10, and let's say it's peak to peak voltage. So whatever the changes you are actually performing on the function generator, you can easily visualize it on the digital storage oscilloscope. This scope has the different outputs, 2-channel outputs. You can also obtain the or export the data from this the oscilloscope as well. So let's first of all just auto scale the signal, which can be easily be tuned by pressing the button auto scale. So whatever the properties you have fixed from the waveform generator, it is being easily visualizable on this oscilloscope. This oscilloscope can measure the frequency of up to 50 megahertz. That is quite high, and so whatever the projects you have been developing in your lab, you can easily visualize by ranging from the millihertz to several megahertz. Okay, thank you. Well, hello and welcome to the third lab. Today we are going to thanks to Keysight for providing us with the marvelous machines, and especially the digital multimeter and oscilloscopes, which are used to measure the various types of signals in terms of their frequency, current, and voltage by using their multi-features. And currently, I would like to introduce you to the Keysight, which is the model of EDU 4-volt digital multimeter. Is a 5.5 resolution, which can measure up to the 5 decimals after the numeric value, and with a speed of 1000 measurement per second. And it is well renowned for its various ports, especially the USB, and it can also be connected with the LAN cable to export and import the data within your computer. Okay, now it can provide the unique feature of measuring the digitally realized values of AC as well as DC values, and with different types of the resolutions. And currently, let me show you how it actually measures the DC and AC voltage across the capacitor. The digital multimeter has the LCD screen of 7 inches, where you can visualize the values, analog values of any of the circuit measurements. Okay, and you can also change the range. Currently it is being set up to the automatic mode, and you can also slow down the resolution as well, and by just to make medium, fast, slow, it's up to you. So by default it's on the slow mode. So whatever the changes are being facing by the capacitor, you will be easily able to visualize them in a very slow mode. Okay, there are other features as well. You can also measure the ohms and voltage or the continuity of any of your circuit by changing just the modes from here. Okay, one thing more, it can store the data up to 5,000 points and can preserve it for a long time. Okay, so you need not to worry about storing the values. You can also store them at a time. You can compare your results with the previous values and also obtain the average values as well. So I do hope that you like this video, and also the digital multimeter that is being provided by the Keysight to this Pearl Lab. Thank you very much for watching.
Hello, we would like to thank Keysight and SmartBench Essential program once again for providing us these machines. The first machine that we really like is 3-phase DC power supply, which has up to 3 decimals, which can provide us accurate and specific voltage for our systems. In this case, we have connected one of the channels to our gate drives to provide us enough input voltage to run the systems. Another key features that we really like about this DC power supply is that from different angle view, the screen can be seen very clearly with a very nice resolutions. Another interesting features that these 3 DC power supply has is that it has 3 independent ports with a different ratio of voltage and current. And if in case these voltage and currents are not enough, it is possible to series or parallel them according to our specifications.